Hello, my dear students. Welcome to EVS lecture, EVS part 2. Today, we are going to write down questions and answers of lesson number 7 from shelters to village settlement. So, we are going to start from filling the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First sentence, the dash dash had largely turned to fishing. Answer, Homo sapiens. Second one, the Homo sapiens cleared dash dash by filling trees. Answer, jungles. Third one, Homo sapiens moved their camps to different places according to their dash dash. Answer, seasonal changes. Fourth one, the change in dash dash pattern enable the groups of the Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. Answer, diet. So again, along with the answer, I am going to read filling the blanks. First one, the Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing. Second one, the Homo sapiens cleared jungles by felling trees. Third one, the Homo sapiens moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. Fourth one, the change in diet pattern enabled the groups of the Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. First one, which were the animals the Homo sapiens mainly hunted? Answer, the Homo sapiens mainly hunted small animals like the wild bear, deer, mountain, goat, and sheep. Second one, what is the characteristic of New Stone Age culture? Answer, the beginning of cultivation is a characteristic of the New Stone Age culture. So, same question, but next sub question. Number 3, why did the Neanderthals live in caves? Answer, the Neanderthals lived in caves because the climate in Europe was extremely cold. Fourth one, what did agriculture make possible? Answer, agriculture made it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. Question number 3. Write about the effects of seasonal changes in weather on your life. Okay? So you had to write down according yourself. Okay? According to your imagination or your personal experience, you had to write down answer of this question. So answer. First point. The seasonal changes in weather result in changes in my clothing. Second one, I wear warm clothes during winter and cotton clothes in summer. Third one, the seasonal changes in climate make me sick sometimes, so that I take medicines. Fourth one, I cannot go out and play games with my friends in the rainy season. Question number 4. Give reasons for the following statements. First one, the Homo sapiens stayed in one place over a longer period of time. Answer, it was no longer necessary to wander from place to place in search of food. Means it was not necessary at that time to move or to wander from one place to another place in search of food. Second point, they moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes in climate. Thus, the Homo sapiens stayed in one place over a longer period of time. Same question, sub question 2. The diet of the Homo sapiens underwent a change. Answer. The climate underwent change and became warmer. Big animals like mammals were on the way to extinction. Therefore, the climate of the Homo sapiens underwent a change. Next question. Question number 5. Compare the new Stone Age village with a modern village. So answer. New Stone Age and modern village. First point. First point in New Stone Age village. A New Stone Age village was primitive as it was an early village settlement. But in modern village is much developed as it underwent many changes over a period of time. Second point means second comparison point, you had to compare new Stone Age and modern Stone Age with each another. So second point, New Stone Age village was in remote areas and had no contact with the outside world, but modern villages are well constructed with the outside world with the means of transport and communication. Third point, human beings lived in huts in New Stone Age village, and in modern village, human beings live in constructed houses. Fourth point, agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing were the mainly activities of villagers. But in modern village, besides agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing, many other activities are undertaken by the villagers with the help of machine. So these are the points. This point compare the New Stone Age village with modern village. So both are different. Okay children. So today we have written questions and answers of lesson number 7. So you whatever questions and answers I have given you today, you have to write down them one time. Means you have to write down question one time along with its answer. Okay children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.